Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today I'll be covering a very simple topic, but it will be a very interesting topic because I'm gonna explore how we can return or handle multiple value at once from Solidity language. Okay, that we haven't covered yet. Okay, so let's understand the topic with an example, and I'll be making a file with name multiple returns dot SOL for Solidity, and let's comment out the license and pragma solidity, and then version will be 0.8.0. Let's make a contract with name example, and basically I want to see how we can handle multiple returns at once. Okay, so that's why let's first make a function with name, let's say get value, and it's not going to take any parameter. It will be of public type and it will also be of pure type. Okay, my bad, it will be of pure type because it's going to work independently, right? And my main purpose is to returns, that's why it will be returns, and I want to return multiple values. So in Solidity we have a special way. Okay, in between this open and close bracket, we can specify the number of value we want to return and their type also. Okay, for me, let's say I want to return three value. Okay, two will be of unsigned integer. Let's first its name is A, second one is also unsigned integer, the name is B, and third one will be of, let's say, boolean type. So this is the simple bool and the name will C. Okay, yeah, it's again, it's up to you how many values you want to return and their types. It's up to you, you can take. And the return type is very simple, as this is going to return multiple value. Okay, so yeah, you just need to wrap this with the open and close bracket, that is the thing. And you need to follow the order, correct order you want to initialize value for the variable. For me, let's say I want to initialize 10 for variable A and 15 for variable B, and as C is a boolean type, so I want to initialize true for C. Okay, so that is a very simple way, and the thing is that you just need to keep in mind the correct order you want to initialize the value for. Okay, so that is a simple way. Okay, if we declare this, not deploy this, then this is success result. And if we click on that, you can see that A is initialized with 10, B is with 15, and C is with true value. So this is one of the way, okay, you can handle multiple return value in a solid language. Okay, so now let's make it more interesting. Okay, for that, let's first make another function. Okay, let's make the function name only if, and it will also return a single value of unsigned integer. Okay, so basically let's delete this for now. And basically what do I want is, I want to access this get value, and as we know, this get value is gonna return three value. So for me, I want to only access this second value. Okay, so let's first initial declare an unsigned integer. The variable name will be, let's say, val, and basically what I want to initialize this val variable with this second value. Okay, with the help of this function. Okay, so it's very simple. First of all, I just need to wrap this with open and close bracket because this function gonna return multiple values, so that's why. And the process is very simple. If you don't want a particular value, okay, you can skip that value with comma only. Okay, so here I don't want the first value, so let's keep the value with comma. So this is the comma. So then I just want to take the second value, that's why in the place of in the second place I want to put the val variable, so that the val is initialized with the second value. And again, I want to skip the third value, that's why I'm using the comma symbol. Okay, and yeah, you just need to initialize this with get val function. Okay, so basically what happens, this, when it's called the get val function, then it's going to return three value A, B, and C, but I just only want to take the second value, that's why in the place of second I just putting the val variable, so that it is initialized for the second value only. And I don't want to take first and third value, that's why I'm skipping, actually I'm just ignoring this with comma. Okay, you can see that, and this is the process. And yeah, you can also relate that with if you are already familiar with JavaScript, then you can relate that with destructuring method. Okay, and if you are not familiar, then you can simply consider that this is a simple way in Solid language we can use a particular value from a function that gonna return multiple value. As you see, the get val function is going to return multiple value, but I only want the second value, so yeah, I'm just only putting the val variable in the second place to get the only second value. Okay, although it's gonna return three value, but I'm just ignoring this two value. Okay, that is the way. Okay, so that is the thing. Let's now return the val variable. So that is the thing. Let's deploy this. Okay, let's deploy, and this is a success log. and if we click on F, you can see I'm getting 15 because the second in the second place or value of 50 B is 15, so that's why I'm getting the 15 value. Okay, so you can see this is a very cool or interesting process in Solidity language. We have to access a particular value from a function that returning multiple value. Okay, so let's now see another example where we can see how we can handle, how we can get output as an array. Okay, so for that let's make another function, and let's function name will be f, not fg, and it's gonna return an array of unsigned integer. And all I just need to mention the memory keyword, as you already knew why. So let's first declare the array. Okay, so it will be unsigned integer and memory, and the name is ARR, let's say, equals new to initialize the array, and it will be unsigned integer, and this is square bracket, and within open and close you just need to specify the length of the array you want to have. For me, I want to have a length of 10, so this is the way to initialize or declare an array. So now let's use a for loop, okay, to initialize the array. So for unsigned int, it will run from 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10, and it will increment 1 by 1. And the initialization is very simple. You just need to specify the index we want to initialize the value for, and I'm initializing I itself. So this is a simple way, and let's return the array. So this is a very simple way. Now let's first comment this function, and let's deploy this. So let's deploy. You can see the success log, and this is the result. And if I click on G, you can see that I'm getting output as an array, and this is the result 0 to 9. Okay, so this is a very simple way or simple process in Solidity language. We can return multiple multiple value. Okay, so yeah, it's up to you, and you can use this according to your need, and this is very simple actually. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and I think you enjoy. If so, please do hit the like button, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you very soon.